Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find tutorials on the Smou application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, click to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the Information and Help section. Here you can find the third option, the tutorials, and here you can select different tutorials about the parking meter, pricing, discounts and more, and just select one and click that and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.